Well, hey guys, and welcome back to my 12 Days of Christmas series. Can you believe Christmas is only a few days away? If you're watching this and you're like, what is happening? Well, we have snow coming on because this is part of our 12 Days of Christmas series. But don't worry, no matter when you're watching this, the term has stayed the same. Today, we're going to talk about what observer reactivity is. All right, guys, well, welcome back. So observer reactivity. Well, how many people know that when a person is being watched or observed, their behavior changes, right? Don't you perform just slightly different if your supervisor's there? Or maybe, whenever, I swear my car has observer reactivity, right? My car, it will not work when it's with me. The second you take it to the dealer, it starts working. That's not really observer reactivity. A car can't react. But observer reactivity simply means that a person changes their behavior because they're being observed. So we just know this happens. There's no question about it, right? Whether or not it is an RBT whose behavior is changing, whether or not it's a child whose behavior is changing. When someone's being watched, then their behavior changes. And that definition is observer reactivity. It's not a difficult concept to understand, but it's an important thing to know for your test. So let's look at a mock question where it looks at a little bit about observer activity. Okay, guys, so if you get a mock question on your exam that has to do with observer reactivity, this is what it may look like. Jessica is doing a direct assessment with a brand new client as part of the intake process. She was observing this client while playing, and he engaged in a high frequency of attention-seeking behaviors characterized by running full speed at the couch and jumping onto the couch. Mom says that he never does this. What is most likely happening? Well, obviously you know because we're in this section, but if you could drop your answer in the comment below, it does help me out with the YouTube algorithm, so please do that. If you have any questions for me, also put them in the comments below because I would love to answer them. So I do want to let you know about a brand new event that I just posted on my website. It is an experimental design intensive. I know experimental design can be a really confusing topic for a lot of people. We're going to take 3 or 4 hours. I'm not sure exactly how long the event's going to go for yet because it is the inaugural one. By the time you're watching this, maybe we'll have had multiple ones. But if you are watching this now as part of the 12 Days of Christmas series, it is our first time we're doing this, so it may be 3 to 4 hours. It may even be a little bit longer, but we're going to really break down experimental design. So if that's one of your hardest subjects, or even one that's challenging for you, come to this workshop. By the time that you're done, it will no longer be a challenge for you. It is only $29 on sale right now. It will normally be $49, but since it's the first time we're doing this, you can use the code guinea pig in order to get $20 off. Then also, in addition to having that full workshop, you will also be able to get a mock to take home with you and the ability to book an hour of coaching with me in order to go over whatever remaining questions you have. So if you want to check that out, head over to my website. That's hopeeducationservices.com, and you can learn a little bit more about it. Thanks, guys.